sorry I haven't posted for a while. First I damaged my toe and I thought it was better, and then it got worse again. Then we had a mini heat wave. Then I got an E. coli infection which gave me explosive diarrhoea. So I was tethered to the toilet for a week, living off cornflakes and the inevitable problems that incurred. What I'm forced to do now, hang that rucksack on there precariously over the precipice just to hold the tripod steady in this breeze. So what I'm taking is, oops, breeze now, is that tree there, and sort of like off round by about here, cut off the top about there, and sort of cut in to about there, and sort of cut off the bottom of the land. As you see, the wind's gone up again and it's getting rather breezy now. God, Bennett. Now it stops. So I think it's one of these shots will be a lot of work. So what I might try and do now is to get different lighting. So, you know, see how you got this dark patch down here, but it's bright behind and bright in front. So just the different layers in the shot. The wind stopped, I better take a picture. So I'm doing one at 400 ISO. 400th of a second. F11, that's one stop underexposed. Now one at 200th of a second, which is, well, the correct exposure for the foreground, but the sky's blown out. And now I'll cycle back to 800th of a second, which will give you the sky frame, and even that sort of on the edge of being blown out, because I'm almost shooting into the sun on this one. It keeps on going from reasonably okay to blowing a gale. I can see the wind coming down the valley, so it might be windy any moment now.
So I'll keep on experimenting with different ISOs, just trying to freeze the tree. You see, that's it. So the tree is slightly moving at the top, so I'm hoping to get one at 100 ISO, but whether that happens I don't know. It's a rapid moving situation and we keep on getting really high gusts of wind. That's a 50th of a second. One at 100th, which is one stop under that what the meter says, and one at 200th of a second. So we'll see what happens on that. Right, just to save time, I've set the exposure bracket in to one stop, one what the meter says, one under and then two under, just because it's I haven't got time because the conditions are moving so rapidly with the light, just to make sure I get the shots done as fast as possible. So I hope some of these come out.
Well, I did need the faster shutter speeds, so I managed to shoot it at 100 ISO because there's a brief pause in the weather, and there it is. I used one frame and just pulled back the sky with the highlight sliders.
Thanks for watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Also, turn on those annoying 3 in the morning notifications to keep you up to date with all new videos.
And to illustrate how strong the wind was, this is my DJI Mavic Mini at full power going forward, and at this point the wind pushes it backwards.